In the previous video, I showed you how to search Academic Search Complete to locate a peer-reviewed journal article. Here's the article that I found in that last video. This one was totally relevant to what I was looking for. The best thing about finding one great article is that you can use it to find another. To do this, open the PDF just like I did here, and I want you to scroll to the bottom of the article. What you're looking for is a section called References. This section is sometimes called Works Cited, Bibliography, or Notes. Books and book chapters often have these sections as well, so this trick will work for those types of sources too. The references contain all the sources the author cited when writing this article. Because this article is relevant to my topic, I can assume that some of the sources the author used when writing the article might also be relevant. To find another source, use the same method I used in the previous video. Look at the titles first. See if you can choose something that appears relevant to your topic based on the title. Pay attention to dates. I usually try to find something fairly recent, published within the last 5 to 7 years. This is a good rule of thumb, but it's not always applicable. It depends on your assignment and the type of research you're doing. Scroll through a few options. Pay attention to the title. Like I said, I'm really looking for something that mentions choice or decision. So we see obesity, college weight, campus eating. Here we go. Healthy choices in context. How contextual cues can influence the persuasiveness of framed health messages. So I noticed that this was published in 2009, so it does hit that 5 to 7 year rule. And it's from Judgment and Decision Making, which does sound like a journal. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight this title and I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go to a new tab for LSU Libraries. And notice that this opens automatically to the Discovery tab. So I'm going to show you how to use this tool. Discovery searches many of our databases and our online catalog at once. That makes it ideal for searching a title of a known item, just like I'm doing here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in the title I'm looking for and press search. So it looks like the article I'm looking for came first, but I always want to double check. So I'll look at the author, the journal title matches, the year matches. So this does look like what I'm looking for, but it's good to double check since many times there are materials that have the same or very similar titles. So the next thing to do, just like I did in the last video, is click on the title, and I want you to take a second and read the abstract. The abstract, remember, is a summary of the article. If the article still feels relevant after reading the abstract, then we can go ahead and try to locate it. In this case, I'm going to say that it does. If I scroll over here where the PDF would normally be, I see that there's actually a link that says Find at LSU. When you see this link, it means that the source is available electronically on another platform. So I'm going to go ahead and click the link. And this doesn't open up to the article itself. Sometimes it does, it just didn't in this example. But if you read the page, you'll notice that there's an archived list in this column here on the left. So what I need to know is some more information. I'm going to go back and I see 2009, Volume 4, Issue 3. So go to 2009, it is Volume 4, and I can click on Issue 3. And then I could do this by finding the page numbers or the title. In this case, I found the title, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the title. And here's the article that I was looking for. So what you can do if this is the right article is go down to the bottom and save it or download it. If this article ends up being a good fit, remember to use the reference section to find more now that you're using Discovery.